Okay, I've got to get to stock picks. Well, very quickly before I do, I think I've got a minute. Okay, so I'm sure you don't mind, but just quickly, dear panel, about 10% of my portfolio is invested in bad news shares: Kumba, Anglo, Exxaro, and Implats. Should I sell and cut my losses or hang on?
I think you hang on, but that's just my opinion.
Cut your losses, David?
You're going to go through a lot of pain. You're going to go through a lot of worry, but eventually you might make money. But don't expect it short. You know, don't expect to make money in the short term. It's going to take time.
Okay. Stock picks. Wayne?
Which one did I pick again?
MTN.
I'm going for MTN. MTN's almost an oil share like Sasol, because it's so dependent on Nigerian growth, and Nigerian growth is so dependent on the oil price. And it's a decent multiple. It seems to be, it's fallen dramatically because of Nigerian bad news, but that seems to be in the price now. And you get a good dividend yield, and it is a solid company, so yeah.
Okay. And
relatively
David?
Conservative, but yeah.
You're picking Cashbuild.
You know, I looked at it some time ago, and I recommended it some time ago. And just looking at the results today, the third quarter results, there's still upside there. You know, I still think they can continue to grow. They're in a sweet area of the market, a very niche market, and I think that you know, if you look at their balance sheet, you look at it's very solid. So it's one of the it's expensive, and it's up, I think, 50% since the beginning of the year. But there's still a little more left at a time when we're struggling to find gainers.
Okay, well, that's where we leave it. David, Wayne, thanks very much for joining us this evening. David Shapiro is of Sasfin Securities. Wayne McCurry is from Momentum Wealth Portfolio Management. Stockwish will be back tomorrow at 7:30, and thanks for your questions.